Tshwane Residents ithi inqume ukuzibambela amathupha okuqeda ubugebengu benziwa bokufika eMarabastad abangenawo amaphepha abagunyaza ukuba kulendawo ngenxa yokwehluleka kwemizamo yokunxenxa iziphathimandla ukuba zisukumele lolu daba.
Previously we used to engage the former Gauteng Premier Mr. David Makhura. He used to come here, we gave him documentation and then we tried to explain our problem here so that he can intervene and resolve the problem. But yeah, this 4 years now again, nothing happened. Hence this operation today.
Bokufika kulendawo bathi laba bazama ukubahlasela bazozifica zigawulwe zabekwa.
Here in Marabastad, if they come again to do that, we're going to beat them here. Because a lot of Indian guys, they're staying here. They are born and raised here. And then they are chasing them that they must go back to their country. Which country?
Bajubulela ngokuthi nalombhikisho awukho emthethweni.
Let me tell you one thing, that anyone who can determine this person is illegal is the officials. So no South African or no guy who is walking around in the street who must come to you and say, give me your ID. They must go to the rightful people, which is the police.
Abokufika bathi nabantu abamsulwa abangagcine bethola amachaphazelo.
Not only that, they were supposed to also apply for what? For their demonstration, for their march. Because here they will come across these South African children that they are here. Our mama, they are here to make sure that they are earning a living.
Izindaba SABC ngokungemthetho.